we go. First start, it was happened after probably more than 6 months, but everything is cool. We have a little bit of oil leaks, but that's nothing major. So yeah, the bike getting there. Now I need to sort it out the loom and get some stuff, some small bits and bobs. That's my team. Hey, another one, teammate. So yeah, working on it. So today's day is over. Everything is fine. We start the engine. We've done quite a bit of job putting the back together, the bicycle. Obviously I bought a new loom, but that's for the newer shape bike probably, so you can't fit it. So the old one is gonna be done again. I've got another issue. Basically I thought it's been sorted, but it's not. A clutch, it does touching the donut rubber, and you have no clutch whatsoever. And one more small issue, I have a small oil leak in there. So what I need to do, I need to take the head off and put it new gasket, and that's it. So yeah, almost forget to show you. We find like 50 years old probably the hand rubber. It's been taped with many tapes like that. So that's obviously gonna be brand new now. This one going in skip. What else needs to be done? So the sidecar frame painted, and the body, and that's it. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and see you next time.